Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Today's video very important. Lot of interesting things about our country and the prosperity, mentality of people, where to invest, etc. More details about the Demat accounts. For the last 20 years, we have been conducting workshops all over India to improve the financial literacy of people in our country. For the last 1 year, we have made more than 700 free videos on YouTube on stock markets in Kannada and English so that people's awareness increases. By becoming better investors, the prosperity of the country will also go up and thereby make everybody's lives more comfortable. So far, the country has just started and we aim to educate more people regarding stock markets and personal finance. Of course, if financial literacy has to reach all Indians, we cannot do it on our own. When I say we, Dr. Bharath Chandra and Rohan. We need your support to spread the message so that more people understand the advantage and benefits of stock markets and slowly learn about it. States with the highest Demat accounts, I am giving you a list. Maharashtra has 149 lakh Demat accounts, Gujarat 85.9, Uttar Pradesh 52.3, Tamil Nadu 42.3, Karnataka 42.2, total Demat accounts in the country 697 lakhs. Out of these 6.97 crore Demat accounts, many people have multiple accounts. So we will take it as 4 to 5 crores active Demat accounts. In March 2020, the Demat accounts were 4 crore. And as per the statistics, only 75% are active, 25% are inactive. That means they have not operated it for the last 1 year. Even if you assume 5 crore individual investors are there, totally if you calculate for 138 crores, the amount of people having Demat is only 3.62% and active investors only 2.72% of the total population of the country. Now percentage of population investing in stocks in other countries vis-a-vis India. USA around 18% and around 52% including mutual fund. Australia around 40%, UK 25 to 30%, China 12.7% of the population are investing in stock markets, India only 3%. If you include the mutual funds, it may come to 6 to 7%. From April 2020 to May 2021, around 1.8 crore Demat accounts have been opened in India and an average 13 lakhs new accounts every month. Most of these are first-time investors and they have no knowledge about stock market. They are relying blindly on brokers, friends to invest without their own research. Many of your friends will fall into that list. Why the number of Demat accounts have gone up? One, because of the huge rally in stock markets from April 2020. Second one, bank FD, post office, PPF rates are progressively falling and people have to come to stock market. Third one, of late, media is giving a lot of increased attention to stock markets, so people become aware of it. As investors, we shall all be happy when new investors enter stock markets since it makes the stock markets more active. Also, just like us, our relatives and friends will be able to create wealth for themselves and their families in future. Many people in India feel that making money is a crime. Please understand, money may not give all the happiness in the world, but having no money also does not give us comfort and happiness. We at least need to have enough money to lead a comfortable life with family. We have been contributing to the country through our free YouTube videos for the last several years. Question is, this is my social concern for people. How are you going to contribute to this movement to educate people about stock markets among your friends and relatives? Today, in the comment section, please type what is your role in spreading the message like the way I have been doing. What are you doing to spread the message regarding stock markets? If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, subscribe, bell icon. Send this video to all your friends. In the comment section, comment what is your contribution to this great country. And then the video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.